Hi student, the last topic is binary operation. The introduction on binary operation. In school days, you have studied 4 fundamental operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are examples of binary operations. These are examples of binary operations. Only 2 numbers can be added at a time. When we need to add 3 numbers, first we add 2 numbers, then the resultant answer add to third number. You get answer. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4. When we need to add 3 numbers at a time, first we add 2 numbers, the resultant answer, then add to third number to get final answer. Okay? By means to 2 numbers added or more than 2 numbers. Binary operations. The examples of binary operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, comes to definition of binary operation. Definition: a binary operation start on a set A is a function star such that A cross A to A we denote star of A comma B by A star B. A star B. The definition of binary operation: a binary operation star on a set A is a function star such that Cartesian product A to A we denote star of A comma B by A star B. The operation, the star is depend on these operations: A plus B or A minus B or A into B or A divide B. Okay, see example. Example देखिए 29. Show that addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operations on are real numbers, but division is not a binary operation on R. Only these 3 operations are binary operation on real number, but division is not binary operation on real number. Further, show that the division is binary operation on the set R star is time. Okay, except the 0, the remaining real numbers, the division operation is binary operation. Okay, see solution. Star such that real number to real number given by, show that addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operations. Addition of A comma B to plus of A comma B is nothing but addition of these 2 numbers plus of A comma B. There star of A comma B by A स्टार बी, ये दोनों के बीच में स्टार अप्लाई करेंगे। बट यहां पर भी क्या है, प्लस ऑफ ए कामा बी इज ए प्लस बी बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर। You take any real numbers, then addition of those two real numbers, you get again real numbers. Therefore, the addition is binary operation on real number. Then subtraction minus of a comma b to a minus b is also belongs to real numbers. Then multiplication of a comma b equal to a into b or a b, हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Then this also belongs to real number, but division is not binary operation on real number. Further show that division is binary operation on the set R star. What is R star? R star is non-zero real numbers. But division is not binary operation on set R. Further, star such that R star Cartesian product to R star by R star given by division of a comma b equal to a by b, but b not equal to 0. But b not equal to 0. Therefore, R star equal to real number except 0. Therefore, a comma b belongs to R star. Therefore, division is binary operation on set R star, or R star is equal to real number except 0. Okay, example 30. Show that subtraction and division are not binary operation on set natural numbers. Okay. दो नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन आंसर नेचुरल नंबर नहीं मिलता. You take any two natural number, then the subtraction, for example 1 comma 2, subtraction of 1 comma 2 is 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. This minus 1 is not a natural number. Therefore, subtraction is not binary operation on natural number. When you subtracting two numbers, then the resultant answer must be natural numbers. But here, when you subtracting these two numbers, 1 minus 2, the answer is not a natural number. Therefore, subtraction are not binary operation on natural number. Then division 2 comma 3 equal to 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 is also not a natural number. Therefore, division is not a binary operation on natural numbers. When you dividing two numbers, the resultant answer must be then division is binary operation on natural number. But here 2 by 3, 2 comma 3 are natural numbers, but when dividing 2 by 3, the answer is this one. Therefore, this one is not a natural number. Therefore, the division is not a binary operation on natural numbers. Okay, see, solution. Subtraction minus such that natural number to natural number given by 1, take any two natural number, 1 comma 2, subtraction of 1 comma 2 equal to 1 minus 2, this minus 1, this minus 1 is not a natural number. Therefore, the subtraction is not binary operation on natural number. Then division such that natural number product, Cartesian product of natural number to natural number given by division of 2 comma 3 equal to 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 is not a natural number. Therefore, a division is not a binary operation on natural number. Therefore, division is not a binary operation on natural number. Same here, the subtraction is not binary operation on natural number. Show that, example देना है, prove करना है. Show that subtraction and division are not binary operation on natural numbers. There are some properties are there on binary operations. First one is commutative law. Already you studied first year. What is commutative law, associative law, identity law, inverse law. Okay, in first chapter set. Same here also commutative, a binary operation start the operation on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division start on the set x. X is a set, is called commutative, if A star B equal to B star A. When applying operation on A star B, the resultant answer should be equal to this resultant. When A star B equal to B star A, operation on addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. For every A comma B belongs to X. Example 34. Show that addition such that Cartesian product on set real number to real number and multiplication such that Cartesian product on set R to R are commutative binary operation. But subtraction and division are not commutative. So that addition and multiplication are binary operation, but subtraction and division are not commutative of binary operation. Solution. First one here, addition plus such that Cartesian product real number to real number implies A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative law, A star B equal to B star A. The star is on addition. Star such that A cross A to A, that is binary operation. The star is on binary operation on addition. Addition such that R cross to R. The star is on addition, binary operation. Plus is a commutative. Subtraction such that Cartesian product R to R implies A minus B equal to B minus A. B minus A. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. See example. Negative subtraction on 1, 2 is 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. The star is on A, B means A star B equal to A minus B. Star is on A, B is A star B. The star is on. Then subtraction on A, B equal to A minus B. Then same here, the operation on subtraction minus of 1, 2, applying negative on these two, you get 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Commutative law, LHS equal to RHS. This one is A star B. Then B star A minus of 2, 1. A, B is 1, 2. B, A star B is 1, 2. B star A is called 2, 1. Here's on negative 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. 1 star 2 is not equal to 2 star 1. 1 star 2 is minus 1 is not equal to 1. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative on real number. 1, 2 is also real number. Then multiplicative. Multiplication such that R cross R to R implies A star B is A into B equal to B star A, B into A. Commutative law. A star B equal to B star A. Multiplicative. A star B, A into B equal to B star A, B equal to A. Implies multiplicative is commutative. Division such that R star to R star by R star implies A by B is not equal to B by A. Therefore, division is not commutative. Example. Division on 1, 2 equal to 1 by 2. Division on 2, 1 is 2 by 1. 1, 2 is nothing but 1 star 2. Operation on division. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. The operation on division. Then 1 star 2 is not equal to 2 star 1. Then 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, division is not commutative. Example, question number 35. Show that star such that Cartesian product on set R to R defined by A star B equal to A plus 2B is not commutative. Commutative law definition is A star B equal to B star A. This is a commutative. Okay. The star is on operation addition. Star is on operation addition. Solution given star such that real number, Cartesian product of real number to real number defined by A star B. This star is on operation A plus 2B. The star is on operation addition. Is not a commutative. A commutative नहीं है. Example देना है. See, 3 star 4, A star B, 3 star B. Sorry, A star B is A plus 2B. Example is 3 star 4, A star B है. A star B है ना यहाँ पर. A plus 2 into B. But A क्या होगा? 3 star 4, 3 plus a 2 as it is into B क्या है 4. So take this is LHS. LHS equal to RHS pro करना. When LHS equal to RHS is commutative. When LHS not equal to RHS, commutative, not a commutative. Okay. LHS 3 star 4, A star B is A plus 2 into B. 3 star 4, A is 3A, B 4A. 3 plus 2 into 4. Then 3 plus 2 into 4, 8. It is 11. Then RHS 4 star 3. Commutative lies A star B equal to B star A. A star B हो गया. Then B star A is A star B is A plus 2B. B star A वैल्यू क्या हो गया? 4. 4 plus 2 into 3. 4 plus 6. It is 10. A star B is 11. B star A is 10. LHS is not equal to RHS. 3 star 4 is not equal to 4 star 3. 11 is not equal to 10. Therefore, star is not a commutative. Second property, a binary operation star such that Cartesian product on set A to A is said to be associative if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all A, B, C belongs to set A. Okay, simple property. A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Okay, example on this associative. Show that addition and multiplication are associative binary operation on R. But subtraction is not associative on R. Division is not associative on R star. See, solution. Star such that, okay, addition plus such that on real number to real number implies A star B star C A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. To take any real numbers, you get LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, plus is associative. Associative binary operation on R. Plus addition is associative binary operation on R. Then multiplication into such that R cross R to R implies A star B, A into B into C equal to A into B into C. The star is on multiplication. A star B, star is on multiplication. A into B into C equal to star is on multiplication. A into B into C. Multiplication is associative binary operation on R. But subtraction is not associative on R. See example. Implies A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Subtraction is not associative binary operation on R. Example. Eight star 5 star 3. You take any real numbers, the operation on subtraction LHS equal to A star B means A star B star C. A is 8, B is 5, C is 3. The operation star is on subtraction 8 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, start. Okay. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3 star 3. The star is on subtraction. 3 minus 3 is 0. LHS. Then RHS is 8 star 5 star 3. 8 star, first to simplify bracket, 5 star 3 star is on subtraction 5 minus 3. Therefore 8 star 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 star 2 star is on subtraction. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Means 8 star 5 star 3 is not equal to 8 star 5 star 3. 8 star 5 star 3 LHS is 0. 0 is not equal to 6. Therefore the subtraction is not associative on real numbers. Then last, division. It takes same example.